तालीम के मैदान में पुराने शहर का नाम फिर से रोशन। एमसेट 3 में मुस्लिम नौजवान ने चौथा मुकाम हासिल किया। पुराने शहर से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले जीशान अहमद ने एमसेट 3 मेडिकल में चौथा मुकाम हासिल किया, जबकि माहिन परवेज़ नामी लड़की ने 136वां मुकाम हासिल किया। इन स्टूडेंट्स ने शानदार कामयाबी हासिल होने पर अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा किया। याद रहे कि इन स्टूडेंट्स का ताल्लुक़ पुराने शहर से बताया गया, जबकि पुराने शहर को मुख्तलिफ तनकीदों का निशाना बनाया जाता है। इन पर एक तमाचा है। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट INDtoday.com।
I'm Zishan Ahmed Jaili. I have secured state 4th rank in recently concluded Telangana MSET 3. I feel blessed to stand among these achievers and being one myself. And Alhamdulillah, in this pursuit of mine, I am highly grateful to Almighty Allah for showering His blessings on me and on all of these people around me. I thank my parents. I can't thank them, boss, because for what should I thank them? They have supported me day in and day out, night after night, and just for formality, like I extend a leaf of gratitude towards my parents and obviously my teachers, because they have been with me for like this college was my second home these 2 years, and the teachers over here are like my second parents, foster parents, and I can tell you, I showed you this, that in this college it's like they treat you as their own children and they nurture you for not only these 2 years but also the life ahead. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mahin Parvez, and Alhamdulillah I've achieved a 136th rank in the Telangana MSET 3, and this achievement has been possible because of my parents' duas and because of the support of our faculty members of the MS Educational Institution. Here in these 2 years in MS was a really great experience because the teachers over here they were really supportive and they motivated us throughout, and this year was really troublesome because we had 3 MSETs this time and we felt really low and we were demotivated, but our lecturers encouraged us and motivated us to perform even better, and Alhamdulillah, compared to the TS1, TS2 and TS3 now, we have had a steady growth, and this has been possible because of our teachers' support and the homely environment which they gave us. And we used to stay in college for more than 12 hours,